All right, so this is an interesting problem, and it can be tricky at times. They're giving us the area of the shaded region as A. Area, of course, is positive. We look at this as an integral, we'll have to call it negative A. And we're told that this has a line of symmetry over 3, so this section and this section are of equal area. So the first question here is, find the integral from 0 to 6, and of course include A in your answer. So from 0 to 6, we have this rectangle, plus we have the section A. This rectangle has an area of 6, but of course it's below the x-axis, so the integral is negative 6, and A has to be signed negative, so we call it negative A. For number 2, we're going to actually separate this into two different integrals. We have the integral from 0 to 6 of f of x dx plus the integral of 1 dx. We already have the first part over here in number 1. Then the integral of f of x of 1 dx is just a height of 1 and a base of 6. So that's 6, and when you add it to this negative 6, it goes away. So the answer is just negative A here. This one says, I believe that says 8 to 13. So let's go up here and look at 8 to 13. Do a different color. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so I need to net out what's below the x-axis with what's above. This region and this region will net out, so I can actually just look at this trapezoid right here. So the area of that trapezoid is going to be 1/2 times base 1, which is 1, plus base 2, which is 4, times the height, which is from 10 to 13, which is 3. So I have 5 times 3 is 15 divided by 2, so 15 halves. All right, next I have the integral of the absolute value from 0 to 13. So really I take everything below the x-axis and turn it positive. I already know that this section here from 0 to 6 was, the integral was negative 6 minus A. So the absolute value will be positive 6 plus A. And then I already have 8 to 13 was, well, I had it as 15 halves, but I had these two sections negated. So actually from 10 to 13 was 15 halves, so I'll add that in. Now I need to add in everything I'm shading right now. This below the x-axis is 2.5. This above the x-axis is 1/2. So add them all positive. 2.5 plus 1/2 is 3. So if I add all this up, I have 9 plus 7.5, so 16.5 plus A.